Hello everyone, this is Stefan with Exclu Service, and just wanted to do a quick video of a diagnostics process or a test that we're currently running on a BMW. So we have Eric here with us. Eric, why don't you tell us what's going on?
So this car came in with an ABS malfunction light on the dash. It had several codes, one of which was for the right front wheel speed sensor signal. So I went ahead and got the oscilloscope out just to check the signal on it. It looks pretty complicated, but it's actually pretty simple to set up. And I've actually got it hooked up to both sides, so you can see the live signal from the sensors.
Cool, so I'm going to flip the camera around and then we'll look at that. Alright, so Eric, why don't you go ahead and show us what you got here.
So this was the wheel that did not have a fault code. This is going to be our live signal right here. So if I spin the wheel, that's a good signal. These are Hall effect sensors, so they pick up a signal from a tooth gear inside the bearing.
Okay.
So that's what you're seeing is the signal directly from the sensor. This is the side that had the fault code. So if you can see that red wave, that is not a good signal. Now that could be either the sensor, the tone wheel, which is sending the signal, the mechanical tooth gear, or both. If I had to guess, I would say it's the sensor. The next step is to pull the sensor out and inspect the tone wheel, and then we can eliminate that.
So as you can see, part of the testing procedure here is going to be to hook up an oscilloscope to the sensor and measure the output of the sensor to ensure that, you know, what we've done basically at this point is we've ruled out that the control module is faulty, and we've ruled out that there's a problem with the actual wiring on the vehicle. The problem is isolated to either the sensor or the tone ring. And then the next step would be to, the most common thing is the sensor. So we would replace the sensor at this point. And once we have the sensor out, we would look inside the hole and see if there's any damage on the toothed gear of the hub bearing.